Hello, welcome to Math 101. I wanted to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Sarah Main. I'm going to be your math instructor this semester. And I have 3 children, married, and I did my undergraduate work at Central Michigan University. I did part of my first master's at Oakland University. And then when I was almost 40 years old, I went back to college and completed my master's in math education at Western Michigan University. So I'm a Bronco and I'm also a Chippewa. Anyway, this semester it's going to be really important that you are engaging each week into this course and also reaching out to me for questions. There is a Zoom link I'm going to show you around a little bit in Canvas where you should be working each week. So this is our Canvas course, and this is the home screen. It's going to take you to this first module, but really you can check there's announcements by hitting this tab here on the left. And then the modules is where you're going to do most of your work, where you're going to go to most of your work. So you're going to do this the very first week. It's important that you do these 2 modules. The getting started module, there's assignments, and then there's module for week 1. And there's going to be this right now, this getting started module has a welcome to Math 104. My video is going to be there as well. And then you're going to get started in Desmos. It's an online calculator graphing tool that's free. You're going to complete this assignment by getting your own account. And you're going to have to log in and complete work in there. And then learn how to upload those links. There is also an intro quiz that needs to be completed the first week. And that is so that you can show me that you have access to the Respondus Lockdown browser. You're going to first have to go and download the Lockdown browser, which is going to be over here on the left. Once you download the Lockdown browser, you have to go back into this intro quiz and complete. It's just 3 questions letting me know that you are able to get into the Lockdown browser while using the Lockdown browser. Here is a schedule of our topics of the course by week. So if you'd like to print that out, it would be handy to have with you. If you'd like to meet me on Zoom to get help, if you can't come to my in-class tutoring hours, that's right here. And also here's a little video on how to add links in Canvas to an assignment. So in this first week, things are going to be updated here. They're not fully updated yet, but this is kind of what a general week is going to look like. There's a description of the week. You're going to follow along with this. So each week it's going to tell you what we're going to be working on. And then you'll just hit next at the bottom right of your screen, and it's going to walk you through some things. So these are the notes. I recommend, it's going to ask you to actually make a copy of these notes. So I recommend that you print them out if you can, so that you can write on the notes each week. There's going to be notes in week 1 for 2.1 through 2.3. And then there's 3 homework assignments that it's going to walk you through. And those are going to be using the book that you're going to purchase from the bookstore, or you can get it probably cheaper online somewhere. But it looks like this book here. It is called, I just want you to see a picture of the front of the book. It's no. It's this purple book. I'm trying to get to the front page of it for you here. Well, it's right here on the bookshelf. It's this one on the right-hand side. It says Intermediate Algebra. I'm pointing to it here. It's from XYZ Textbooks, and you're going to want the 2E version. And then you're going to do the homework, whatever's assigned there, and you're going to upload them. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if you go into the first assignment for 2.1, the assignments are going to be due on Wednesdays, the week following the week you should be completing the videos. So that gives you a week to watch the videos and then a couple extra days to reach out and ask me questions before the homework is due. Homework is not allowed to be turned in late. And so it's important that you reach out for questions before you do so. So for 2.1, I'm expecting you to go to page 115 and complete these problems. You must show work. So if you only write the answers from the back of the book, you will not be getting full credit. So if I wanted to start this assignment, I'm going to click Start Assignment. Now, there's options that you can do here. You can upload something from Google if you want, from a Google Drive. You can do a file upload and add a file that way. Now, there is also a way for you to upload a link. So if I wanted to, in the Desmos assignment, you're going to follow these steps for the Desmos assignment, and then you're going to hit Start Assignment. And most of the assignments are going to have these options here. Like I said, there's a file upload, a Google Drive, a text entry if you want to write something, or a website URL. So anytime you're uploading something from Desmos, you're going to go ahead and paste the link right there, and then just hit Submit Assignment. So that is about the biggest parts of the class. You're going to be watching videos every week with my notes. So I suggest that you print out those notes. If you'd like them printed out, you can reach out to me and I will get all the copies printed, and you can get them from the school. You're going to be scanning in those notes that you take. And that's part of your course grade is going to be because you're submitting those notes. So that I know you're doing that. There's also going to be something called knowledge checks. They're like a little quiz, and that's going to be about one every chapter. And that's just to give you some insight into what types of questions I might ask on the chapter test and how I'm expecting the answers, and for me to give you some feedback. And then there's going to be a few forums throughout the semester for you to get to know each other and myself. And then also there are the chapter tests. And there's a chapter 2 test, a chapter 3, a chapter 4, 5 and 6 chapters are together, and then a chapter 7 test at the end of the semester. That's how your grade is going to be compiled. Reach out if you have any questions, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you hopefully on the Zoom sometime this semester.